partnered up with Solve, which we're actually working with for next weekend for the beach cleanup.
Yeah, the annual Solve Fall Beach Cleanup this Saturday, 10 a.m. up and down the Oregon coast. If you want to take part, sign up at KOIN.com/Solve. You have to be pre-registered.
Gotcha.
So get in there early this week and register, because I know there's a bit of a lag time to process those too. But yeah, we had thousands of people out there.
I remember last year, all the trash on the beach. It's amazing.
And there'll be a lot of KOIN 6 folks there, people from the weather team, the news department. So we hope to see you all out there.
Very good.
All right.
Thanks, Steve.
Onward. Yeah, let's take a look outside of your 6 o'clock hour. Speaking of the beach, here's your Ask Story. A camera from the Columbia River Maritime Museum. 62 degrees, just a light northwest wind. High temperature out there in Astoria, 67 degrees. A quick look east down the gorge from our Columbia River, or excuse me, our Skamania Lodge camera on the Columbia River. Can't quite see the fire there just north of the Dalles. PDX right now, 70 degrees, light northwest wind at 15 miles per hour. After that high this afternoon in the mid-70s. Here's a look at highs up and down the I-5 corridor, 76 Portland, 79 in Salem, 82 in Corvallis, mostly 60s along the coastline. The big weather headlines, though, this week coming up. No more 90s in the next 7 days in our forecast. Brief showers on Monday and Tuesday, and then a wet and breezy system arrives Wednesday. As I mentioned in my 5:30 forecast, we could have half, maybe even 3/4 of an inch of rain right here in the metro area this week. Big picture look, Sunday into Monday, you see that dip in the jet stream out of the northwest. Cool and stormy conditions coming in. Big changes coming up by Wednesday. Temperatures cooling down into the 60s, as you'll see in my 7-day forecast. Quick look at the satellite and radar right now. You can see just a little bit of that fire right there, but just a few streaming high clouds over the northwest part of the state. And as we back out the satellite loop, you can see there's our next system coming in for Tuesday. We don't see any significant chance of rain until about Tuesday evening, as you'll see coming up in my forecast. Cloud and rain forecast for tonight, 6 o'clock. Just a few scattered high clouds across the north part of the state. Let's put that into motion. We'll stop at Monday morning, 7:30 a.m. Just a few spotty showers here and there. Clouds continue most of the day. Monday should be a fairly cloudy day. We'll stop at about 4:30 during your commute time. Scattered showers beginning to pop up along the I-5 corridor. We'll move it into your Tuesday. Again, mostly cloudy on Tuesday with just a few scattered isolated showers, but then it starts to really fill in Tuesday evening. Here we'll stop it at 7:30. Then the next system is due in on Wednesday, and that brings quite a bit of rain in here. That's as of 9:30 on Wednesday. Coastal forecast on your Monday. Astoria 65 under cloudy skies, just an isolated afternoon shower. Tillamook will top out at 64. The I-5 corridor mostly cloudy, isolated PM showers. Temperatures mostly in the mid-60s. On the east side, mostly cloudy and cooler. Breezy west winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Madras 67 and Burns 73. Cascades and Gorge forecast mostly cloudy, just an isolated shower in the west end of the gorge tomorrow. Cascade Lock shall top out at 63. Notice that freezing level lowering down to 7,000 feet. Could be as low as 5,500 feet. That's just right at or below Timberline Lodge by Wednesday with that next system. And there's that 7-day forecast, Chris. Mostly cloudy on your Monday, 68. Tuesday, cloudy with afternoon showers developing, 66. And then Wednesday, that's the big transition day. Rain at times. Looks like that's going to be our wettest day in quite some time, as a matter of fact, as that system pulls up out of the southwest. Thursday, chance of showers. That continues into Friday. Temperatures warm up into the lower 70s. And it looks like at this point right now, Chris, dry for the big Solve Beach cleanup next Saturday.
Where did summer go?
It went out the door real fast.
It did, yeah. It was here yesterday. It's gone tomorrow.
Yeah, I think we're done with the 90s, but 29 days at or above 90.
That's a lot. It was a hot summer.
It was a record breaker.
All right. Thanks, Steve. Well, let's send it on over to David Salon.